Hi, and welcome to my portfolio Webstack portfolio project page. I am Virginia Irongo. I'm currently working on this final project at ALX Software Engineering. The project I'm working on is called TaskMe Pro, and it's under the tagline Redefining Productivity with AI-Powered Task Management. I'm doing this project alone, so it's a solo project by me, Virginia Irungu. Um, the project overview. What is TaskMe Pro? TaskMe Pro is an innovative task management application that uses AI-powered prioritization and gamification, along with seamlessly integrated collaboration capabilities. Well, whatever I'm building is an application. Uh, its purpose is to provide users with an interactive, intelligent method of managing both tasks and time in a sustainable way. So why I chose this project, it's because I always had a problem on managing my time, and I've tried various applications and they didn't really serve my purpose. I'm really hoping this one will serve mine, and for many others, locally and globally. The key features of this task management application is number one is that it has AI driven prioritization, which suggests tasks by priority depending on deadlines, categories, and user behavior. The second one is gamification, whereby it will I will add a streak system to reward streaks and milestones that provide motivation to keep the user moving. I'll introduce levels or rather badges for achieving productivity milestones. That one is collaboration, where uh, different tasks are assigned and shared with real-time status updates. Number four is tracking sustainability. Tracks the ecological impact of activities and makes eco-friendly suggestions. We move on to the next. The learning objectives. Well, um, the learning objectives for this whole project, number one is the backend technologies, whereby the backend technology is to be applied using the Python framework Fast API. Second objective is front-end integration, whereby I intend to integrate a front-end with React for smooth interaction with users. Third one is database modeling, where I intend to explore best practices for database modeling and handling in PostgreSQL. Fourth one is deployment and scaling, where I have to understand how to deploy and scale my web application in a production environment. On to the next, the technologies used. For this one, for the backend, I'm using the Python framework Fast API because it has more advantages in my case compared to another framework like Django. For the front end, I'm using React.js. For database, I'm using PostgreSQL because the Fast API framework comes with the SQL Academy. Other tools As part of the technology that I'll use are Figma, Trello, Chat.js, GitHub for version control, and deployment platforms such as Docker for hosting. The challenges that are to be encountered or I'm already encountering, number one is ensuring originality to avoid plagiarism. Um, at, in the current world, there are so many things that have been innovated, and it's almost hard to create a new idea, but we can improve ideas. So to avoid plagiarism, a lot of research ought to be done. Number two is managing time to meet the set deadline for development. I haven't been quite active because I have a sick mother and I've been taking care of her. So I'm trying to beat around the deadline to see whether I can do this and graduate with the rest. Number three is ensuring seamless integration of backend and frontend. Number four is testing to ensure performance and the best user experience within the provided timeline. The next one is my work schedule. On day one to day two, I'll focus on researching, finalizing features, and setting up tools. Day three to day six, I'll focus on backend development, the APIs, the database. The then day 5 to day 7, I'll focus on front-end development, React user interface. Day 8 to day 9, integration testing, debugging, deployment. Day 10, now is the presentation rehearsal to present what I have or what I'll have made eventually. My mockup, I still don't have a mockup yet, but it will have a login page which is clean and user-friendly design, a dashboard which is intuitive layout with drag and drop for prioritization. It will also have an analytics page where data visualization showing task completion and progress. Call to action. The next steps will be to complete the front-end and back-end setup. The second slot is to develop, refine unique features, and prepare for live demo as the third call of action. And thank you for listening to me with my tagline, your productivity, our our priority. Sorry. Thank you very much.